In the heart of vibrant Newcastle, Delaware, stands Delaware Dumpster Rentals, your ultimate destination for all things waste management. Specializing in dumpster rental in Newcastle, Delaware, we are passionate about excellence and committed to community service, delivering top-tier dumpster rental services designed to tackle any project, big or small, with gusto. Ready to kickstart your cleanup mission? Dial our hotline at 302-463-9000 and let the energy flow. Visit our electrifying website, www.delawaredumpsterrentals.com, to discover the perfect dumpster match for your needs. We guarantee lightning-fast delivery and pickup, ensuring your project keeps pace with your ambitions without missing a beat. At Delaware Dumpster Rentals, we don't just talk the talk. We walk the walk with a skip in our step. Our dynamic team is dedicated to keeping your projects buzzing efficiently and reliably. Whether you're breaking ground on a massive construction endeavor or decluttering your attic, our dumpsters are here to energize your cleanup game. Contact us now at 302-463-9000 or rev up your browser and visit www.delawaredumpsterrentals.com for an electrifying dumpster rental experience that's bound to leave you buzzing.